Welcome to this Autocad tutorial on working with layers. We will start a new drawing. Our layers property is right here in the center section of the ribbon bar. We can click on it. To create a new layer, click this icon, type in what you want it to be. We'll abbreviate for object. White is good, continuous is good. So now we will create another layer for the hidden lines. We will change the color to red. Line type, we need to change. Notice there's no others, so we need to load the line types. Scroll down till you find the hidden 2. OK. Click it and then OK. This is the way that we create our colors, our line type. We can also change our line weight if so desire. To activate a layer to be the main layer or the activated layer, double click it and close. I will draw us a hidden line. To change a layer, come up to the layers quick access, pull it down and click the layer you want to be active. Thank you for watching this tutorial.